Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be freshening up my front porch. As you can see, I still have items from Christmas, so if you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. Channel, in today's video I'm going to be doing some outdoor decor, which is part of the DIY Mommy's quarterly challenge, where you are to decorate or either do some type of DIY that pertains to that particular season. And for this season, it's the spring season, so I'm going to clean all this pollen off my bench and do a little decorating, not much. So I still have my season greetings mat here, and I still have my wreath from Christmas. What we have, I picked up this rug with the bicycle on it from Ross for $8.99, and I picked up this bicycle picture here from Hobby Lobby last year, 60% off. And I'm not ready to put my plants in my flower pots yet, so I just went ahead and put some of the fairy garden figurines that I had from last year that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I did the same thing in this planter. And this bicycle planter here, I picked it up from Ross for $14.99 also. And I'll be adding more details as I go. I usually keep my spring and summer decor about the same. So I want to go ahead and thank Christina from the DIY Mommy for hosting this challenge. I have her link and a link to the playlist in my description box. And I think right here, I'm going to swap the bicycle plaque and put it here. And then I got my spring sign and put it by the door. So that's going to conclude this video. I freshen up my front porch area. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save.